Hello students, welcome once again to our channel Score High to Soar High. In this video series, we have been uploading Tamil Nadu State Board Syllabus Class 12 Physics, Chapter 1 Electrostatics, Book Back MCQs. In this video today, we are going to see the 15th question. Actually, this is the part 15 of this video series. Come on, let us move on to see the questions. Two metallic spheres of radii 1 centimeter and 3 centimeter are given charges of minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 coulomb and 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 coulomb respectively. If these are connected by a conducting wire, the final charge on the bigger sphere is. Here 4 options are given. Now let us solve the sum and find out the answer. For a better understanding, here I have drawn a diagram. Here comes a sphere and again here comes another sphere with radius, more radius. The radius of this sphere is 1 centimeter, so it is smaller in size, and the radius of this sphere is 3 centimeter, so it is somewhat bigger than this. Now what about the charges as per the sum? As per the sum, the charges are, here it is given minus 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 coulomb, and here it is given 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 coulomb. Now what is the total charge? Total charge Q is equal to, here we need to add them up. So minus 1 plus 5 into 10 to the power of minus 2 coulomb. So 5 minus 1, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 coulomb. According to the sum, it is said that both these conductors are connected by a conducting wire. So what will happen? The charges in these two spheres, they will get distributed till both the spheres attain the same amount of charges. If they attain the same amount of charges, then what will happen? They will also attain the same potential. So the V1 and V2 will become equal. Potential becomes equal in both the spheres. Therefore, we can write like this: V1 is equal to V2. In the next step, capacitance of a spherical shaped conductor, capital C, is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught R. For a spherical shaped conductor, the expression for capacitance will follow like this: C is equal to 4 pi epsilon naught R. In the next step, we have written the common expression for capacitance. What is the common expression for capacitance? C is equal to Q by V, that is charge by potential. Therefore, V is equal to what? V is equal to Q by C. Therefore, V is equal to Q by C, which is equal to Q by, in the place of C, I have written 4 pi epsilon naught R. So, this is the expression for V. Previously, we have written V1 is equal to V2. So, in the place of V1, let me write Q1 by 4 pi epsilon naught R1, which is equal to, in the place of V2, Q2 by 4 pi epsilon naught R2. Here, 4 pi epsilon naught and this 4 pi epsilon naught get cancelled. So, finally, what I get is, therefore, Q1 by R1, which is equal to Q2 by R2. Therefore, Q2 will come over here and R1 will go over there. So, therefore, Q1 by Q2 is equal to R1 by R2. What is the radius R1? 1 centimeter. What is the radius R2? 3 centimeter. So, in the next step, therefore, Q1 by Q2 is equal to 1 by 3. That's what we have written. In the next step, so Q1 by Q2 is equal to 1 by 3. Therefore, Q1 is to Q2 is equal to 1 is to 3. In the ratio form, it is written. Now, what is the total charge? We have calculated already, 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 coulomb. If this total charge is divided in the above ratio, that means in the ratio 1 is to 3, what will happen? If we take 1 out, then what will happen? Remaining is 3. So, if if the total charge 4 into 10 to the power of minus 2 coulomb is divided in this ratio, then it will become Q1 is to Q2 is equal to 1 into 10 to the power of minus 2 coulomb is to 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 coulomb. Now you just add it and see 4 will come. So answer. So here, which is the biggest sphere? This Q2 is the biggest sphere. In that biggest sphere Q2, what is the charge? 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 coulomb. That is the answer. So option A is the right answer, which is 3 into 10 to the power of minus 2 coulomb. With this video has come to an end.
Like, share and comment and subscribe our channel and click the bell button for more videos. Thank you.